taking responsibility,
innovative,
being innovative. So all of these things, right? Can I have the next slide, please? Okay. So another great phrase, right? एक तो corporate ready, fancy word, right? जो मेरे को आज तक समझ में नहीं आया, मुझे तो नहीं आया समझ में. तो देवेंद्र ने कहा, please come and talk about corporate ready. मैंने कहा, अच्छा ठीक है, I'll speak about corporate ready. Normally, I would not use that word, but yeah, it's a great word, but the most misunderstood word, right? And I will try and break it down for you guys so that you can actually understand what it means. The right attitude is another such phrase. Fancy phrase which means nothing to nobody. And trust me, if I ask you to write, I will have 40 different answers on what right attitude means. Okay? So tell me, what is the first thing that comes to your mind when I say right attitude?
Behavior.
So behavior, I think also. Sir.
First word that comes to mind when I say right attitude. Say one word and pass.
Sir, ethics.
Ethics.
sir, attitude,
Punctual.
Confidence.
सेम मतलब जैसे ऐसा प्रेजेंट करना अपने आप को कि गलत ना लगे. राइट.
Responsibility.
Before you guys go on to using one word, I'll narrate a small incident and then I'll expect you to say one word. I don't know how many of you, you would have all heard about 84 riots. It happened towards end of 84. We were just fresh out of our college. I had an opportunity for an interview with Johnson and Johnson. That time working with Johnson and Johnson was a huge big thing. Body company hai. So I had an interview here in Delhi. Then I was asked to report to Mumbai. That was in early of 85, January sometimes. So there was an interview panel of 6 people, which normally is a big panel. And first thing they asked me is what happened in the riots in Delhi. We heard a lot about it. Since you are in Delhi, please tell us about what you know about what has happened in Delhi. I spoke for almost 5 minutes. And the first comment came in, a typical marketing man's attitude. The first comment which came was, typical marketing man's attitude. Now talk about this. Now try and orient yourself what this attitude means. I told them about what had happened in 84 riots where a lot of Sikhs were killed and all that. It was unfortunate incidents. I being in Delhi, I had witnessed part of it. I told them about all what I seen. And Pat comes the comment, typical marketing man's attitude. Now look at this word attitude in this perspective.
Positive attitude. Being responsibility.
professional communication,
Ethics.
Skills. Conceptual skills.
Presence of mind.
Positive behavior.
Confidence.
Next slide, please. Okay, anyway, so let's move on a little bit because otherwise I can spend a few hours catching hold of one or the other person. I can do a whole day's workshop with 20 of you and try and help you improve yourself. But I don't think I can do that with so many of you. So this is a list, and I didn't generate that list. I used ChatGPT to generate this list. Right? ChatGPT told me ये सब चीजें corporate ready में आती हैं. और मैंने उठा के वैसा का वैसे ही डाल दिया. Right? So don't ask me what they mean, but this is what ChatGPT tells me. The interesting thing that I see here is that of all the 10 points, there's only one technical skill. है कोई और तो मुझे बता दो, किसी को दिख रही हो कोई टेक्निकल स्किल इस सब में तो मुझे बता दो. राइट? एंड इंटरेस्टिंगली, हाँ सॉरी, नहीं, और इंटरेस्टिंगली ये सारी चीजें किसी ना किसी ने किसी सम फॉर्म और द अदर यू हैव ऑल सेड इट, राइट? सो यू ऑल नो इट. ऐसा नहीं है कि जनरल नॉलेज नहीं है, ये सब जनरल नॉलेज है. करेक्ट? डू यू एग्री दिस इज जनरल नॉलेज? राइट? एक आध वर्ड हो सकता है 10 में से आपको 5 पता होंगे, 6 पता होंगे, 7 पता होंगे. ऐसा कोई भी नहीं होगा जिसको एक भी नहीं पता. राइट? एनीबडी हु इज सीइंग दिस लिस्ट फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम, मतलब ये लिस्ट में से कोई भी पॉइंट पहले कभी नहीं पता था? एनीबडी लाइक दैट? नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके, सिमिलर थिंग विद राइट एटीट्यूड. राइट? क्या? ओपननेस, पॉजिटिविटी, विलिंगनेस टू लर्न, being accountable, adaptability, respectfulness, taking initiative, emotional maturity, being resilient. सब किसी ना किसी ने बोल दिया था, right? Right? Each one of these was expressed by one or the other person in maybe slightly different form. So there's nothing magical about it. कोई जरूरत नहीं इसकी फोटो, मैं बता दूंगा कहाँ फोटो लेना. ये तो चैट जीपीटी यही दे देगा आपको भी आंसर. Right? I'll tell you where to take a picture. So what is it? What is it? You know, what is being corporate ready, and what is right attitude? Let's try and understand. So all of them were soft skills. और आपको इन सब के बारे में पता था? Correct? Raise your hand who knew less than 5 of items on either of those two lists. Anybody who knew less than 5? Anybody? Please tell me. I really would like to find out. And I promise you I'll not trouble you. Okay, but everyone knew it. Did you learn them? Did anybody, I want to know this. Did anybody just go back to the previous slide? Yeah. Did anybody try to learn any of these things or the previous slide? Or did anybody try to learn any of these things? Was it taught to you anywhere? Please seriously tell me this question. Any school or college where you were taught this? Any of this? 10 items on this list, 8 on the next page. 9. Anybody taught you this? No? So सबको पता है, लेकिन फिर भी कभी सीखने की कोशिश नहीं करी. क्यों? Except maybe her who's been doing some work on emotional intelligence. Right? Why? Let's go back. So, you did not learn, right? I learned it, right? I was lucky, right? So, lots of skills were taught to us as part of growing up. And let me tell you that all of you have learned a lot of these skills. Zero nahi hai aap log. You have all learned those skills. But how have you learned them? You have learned them by default. You have learned them by default by leading your normal day-to-day life. When you fight with your friend and decide whether to go for this movie or this movie, then you learn negotiation skills. You learn persuasion skills. Right? When you go with your grandparent or your parents to do shopping and your mother or your grandfather is haggling for 5 rupees, again, you are learning something in that process. Right? When you are playing games, you're learning teamwork. When you become a captain in school or a captain in a sports activity or something, you're learning leadership skills. You're learning how to influence people. Right? Anybody in dramatics here? Dramatics? Anybody does dramatics? Nobody? Please bata do, mera kaam easy ho jayega. Okay, did they teach you how to speak? So why didn't you tell me earlier? Right, that's where I learned how to speak. Right, that's how I can speak without a... So anybody has done ramp walking? Yeah. So उसमें चलना सिखाते हैं. क्यों सिखाते हैं? Okay. More than that, the first thing that they're seeing is how you walk. Okay, and is there a difference? How many of you have, anybody whose parent told them, ऐसे नहीं चलते हैं? कुछ लोग है ना? Yes. Right? By and large, अरे बच्चा चलने लगा, बहुत बढ़िया बात. Right? नर्सरी स्कूल में जाओगे, CAT कैट होता है, उसको काट बोलो, कैट बोलो, कुछ और बोलो, सब चलेगा. CAT पता होना चाहिए. The objective is to know that the spelling of cat is CAT, not how cat is pronounced. Am I right or wrong? Okay, this is actually the failure of our education system, which does not teach you these skills. Right? Just 1 second. Right? So, and there are many chances that you have not even heard of all the soft skills that exist. I just lost. You can't force learning. अरे जिसको सुनना है सुनो, नहीं सुनना रहने दो. Okay, so what are soft skills? So if you really want to understand what are soft skills, it's about personal attributes, it's about behaviors, it's about social abilities. It's about interacting effectively and harmoniously with others. So one of the critical things in any job, right? So if I was to try and give a definition of being corporate ready, it is your ability to interact with others to do your job more effectively. Right? That's what is a manager for. What is the simplest definition of a manager? Someone who can get things done. Right? Simple, very simple. मैं कोई किसी fancy author का definition नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. Simple definition of an author is a person who can get things done. Right? Being the corporate readiness is about how do you interact with others to make sure things get done, right? And that you do your job. Right, next slide, please. So here's a list of all the soft skills that are there. So my the book Say Yes is about soft skills, right? And these are all the soft skills that are covered. If I missed something, I don't know, but I made enough effort to try and put down all the soft skills that you could think of, right? And I'm absolutely sure that you haven't heard of some of them, right? So one of my favorite is, you probably have never heard that being charming is a skill. How many knew being charming is a skill? Right. How many, what do you think is cultural competence? Okay. And how does it help you? So let me run through this list. Can you read it at the back? Can you all read it at the back? You might want to take a picture of this for those who wanted to take a picture. Excuse me, can you read it at the back? आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ, in specs. Yeah? So which one which you had not heard of earlier? Tell me one that you had not heard of earlier. Resilience. Okay. So you had never heard about it. Do you know the meaning of the word resilience? No. Okay. Anything up piche last में green shirt? Yes. Green, black shirt. Yeah. Any one that you have not heard of? Sit. Any one skill that you had never heard earlier? Go back to the previous one, please. Of this list, any one that you had not heard earlier, which you did not know is a soft skill. Okay, so anything else? Okay, so you'd heard about resilience but don't know what it is. Okay? Anyone that which is new to you, completely new? Okay. At the back there? Yeah, number 2. Something that you had never heard of earlier? No, sir. Where is this? No, sir, is not on the list. Oh, you knew about everything. Okay. So anything that you've actually made an effort to improve yourself? Any one that you have made an effort to improve yourself? You knew everything, right? Right? तो कुछ ना कुछ तो करा होगा ना उसके बारे में. जब नॉलेज होती है तो फिर आदमी कुछ करता भी है. ये अपने आप हो जाता है? नाइस। ये अरे भैया, तो यही तो पूछ रहा हूँ कि कहाँ दिमाग लगाया आपने? आप कह रहे हो अपने आप हो जाता है, अभी कह रहे हो दिमाग लगाना पड़ता है। तो दिमाग लगाना तो अपने आप नहीं होता। आप कह रहे हैं कि ये सब चीजें आप अपने आप सीख जाएंगे। हाँ, आपने रेजिलियंस वर्ड सुना हुआ है, आपको ये भी समझ में आ रहा है कि रेजिलियंस इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, लेकिन आपने उसको कुछ करने की कोशिश नहीं करी। तो आप ये बताइए कैसे सीख जाओगे? मतलब कभी एक सपना आएगा और वो या कोई जनक मिल जाएगा, वो आपको रेजिलियंस सिखा जाएगा। और यू आर वेटिंग फॉर अ टैबलेट यू विल गेट, यू विल ड्रिंक इट एंड यू विल बी डन। सीरियसली, व्हाट्स इन योर माइंड? आई एम जस्ट आस्किंग यू। एंड आपके जैसे बहुत सारे हैं, एक आप अकेले नहीं हैं, आप तो पकड़ में आ जाते हो। कौन सा सवाल किससे पूछ लूंगा ये मुझे नहीं पता। कुछ तो आपने सोचा होगा ना कि ये चीजें आप कैसे सीखोगे कि नहीं सीखनी। अरे भैया, मैंने मान लिया आप अपने आप सीखोगे, लेकिन कब सीखोगे? चलो ये बता दो। आपकी एज क्या हो गई? 23 साल, 22 साल, 21 साल, 22 साल। तो 22 साल में तो नहीं सीखे, रेजिलियंस तो नहीं सीखे ना 22 साल में? कि आती है? नहीं आती। और मैं बोलूं आती है, फिर क्या करोगे? क्योंकि आपको मतलब भी नहीं पता। There you go. So are you curious? Would you like to know more? अच्छा, you will. Okay, thank you. इतने, चलो इसी के लिए थैंक यू। और फिर कुछ सीखने की कोशिश भी करोगे कि नहीं करोगे? सीख तो अपने आप ही लोगे ना। चलो, वैसे ही इज नॉट कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग, राइट? बहुत सारी सॉफ्ट स्किल्स ऐसा ही, दिस इज द एटीट्यूड, दिस इज द एटीट्यूड दैट आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद, राइट? ये लिस्ट मैं लोगों के सामने रखता हूं, सबका ये मानना है कि ये सब मैं खुद सीख जाऊंगा, राइट? I have put 35 videos on each of these in my YouTube channel. जिसको मैं पकड़ के, कान पकड़ के वीडियो दिखाता हूं, he loves that channel, right? But I've also realized nobody, none of you people will ever go and Google soft skills on YouTube. तो अपने आप सीख जाओगे।
No, they take it for granted. Soft skills कोई चीज सीखने की चीज है, टेक्निकल स्किल्स सीखने की चीज है।
That is the reality, right? And I'm a very straightforward person. I tell you on your face, this is not gonna work. Okay, so I'm gonna find another volunteer. I don't want to use the word guinea pig. Guinea pig भी word use होता है ना? सुना है guinea pig का मतलब? Guinea pig सुना है? किसने नहीं सुना? So guinea pig का जो DNA होता है, it is very similar to man. So a lot of experimentation, medical, biological experimentation is done on guinea pigs. So being a guinea pig is आपको पकड़ के लेबोरेटरी में खड़ा कर दिया गया. Okay, so let's find a guinea pig, right? आप आइए. Just go near the door. नहीं, आपको बाहर आना है, डोर पे जाइए. सब दे दूंगा, और वैसे गूगल करोगे नाम से तो मिल जाएगा. मैं आप लोगों को इतनी चीजें ढूंढने में टाइम नहीं लगता, उसको यूज करने में टाइम लगता है. प्रॉब्लम इज नॉट फाइंडिंग थिंग्स, प्रॉब्लम इज डूइंग समथिंग अबाउट इट. जैसे उसने कहा ना, सब आ जाएगा अपने आप. अभी तो ढूंढना भी शुरू नहीं किया. ओके, सो जस्ट गो टू द गेट, राइट? जस्ट गो टू द गेट, आई टेल यू व्हाट टू डू नेक्स्ट. बाहर नहीं भेज रहा हूं. ओके, ठीक है. यहाँ पे ये दोनों जने आपके इंटरव्यूअर्स बैठे हुए हैं. आपको वहां से यहाँ तक आना है वॉक करके फॉर इंटरव्यू. आइए.
मुझे लगा बहुत डरा हुआ, बहुत सहमा हुआ, बहुत अनसर्टेन. इसकी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि क्या होने वाला है, क्या हो रहा है, मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. डरा बहुत हुआ था ये. ठीक कह रहा हूँ?
Now tell me, what's your name?
रोहित.
Rohit, sit. Rohit, इस 2 मिनट के वॉक में, right? Let me ask you another question. Not even 2 मिनट, 10 seconds के वॉक में Would anybody select him based on this walk? Did you create an impression based on this walk? No. किसने नो किसने बोला? Good friend है क्या? Sorry? Oh, the walk is not good, I agree. But the point is, my question is, would anybody hire him if they see him walk like this? Okay. So what was the impact of this walk? Nothing. Okay. So let me tell you, let's go on to the next slide, please, I think. Okay, I'll come back to this. I just wanted to demonstrate some things, but I'll come back to this. Okay, just go back. Okay, so we have a huge list here. Please take a picture. You will also find it, you can get it on the web. You can find it on YouTube. This list is there, right? Next slide, please. So how many of these you were taught in your years of growing up? We have already covered that point, right? You have learned many of these things. Even resilience आप सीखे. जब आपको गिर के चोट लगती है ना, so you've learned resilience. ऐसा नहीं है resilience नहीं सीखा आप लोगों ने. जब क्लास में फेल होते हैं या मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आते हैं, उसके बाद ऐसा नहीं होता कि आप पढ़ाई करना बंद कर देते हैं. उसके बाद फिर और मेहनत से पढ़ाई करते हैं. That simple, that is resilience. How do you come back from failure is resilience. No, sorry. Okay, so we give what we have done, unfortunately, right? And we खाली we में आप लोग नहीं आते हैं. We में parents ज़्यादा responsible है, teachers और भी ज़्यादा responsible है, right? Who are only focused on education, but soft skills are what are critical for success, right? Please take it from me. Right? I go to multiple MBA colleges, I go to IIMs. सब लोग कुछ कोशिश करते हैं. The focus is completely missing. I can't find it anywhere. Right? IIM Ahmedabad में एक compulsory subject होता था written analysis and communication. Right? That is the closest that any institute is to having very, very structured course on soft skills. एक सेकेंड ईयर में कोर्स होता था मैनेजरियल ओरल कम्युनिकेशन जो ऑप्शनल होता था. एक और कोर्स होता था क्रिएटिविटी के ऊपर विच वाज आल्सो ऑप्शनल. एक चेंज मैनेजमेंट पे कोर्स होता था विच वाज आल्सो ऑप्शनल जो कोई लोग नहीं लेते थे. सो यस देयर वर सम कोर्सेज एंड देयर आर टुडे आल्सो सम कोर्सेज विच हेल्प यू बिल्ड सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज we do not focus on these things. They're critical for success. Right? And because we do not do that, right? इसके बाद जब आप सेकेंड ईयर में आएंगे और प्लेसमेंट नहीं होगा तो देवेंद्र बहादुर को इनको पकड़ेंगे, सर मैडम प्लेसमेंट नहीं हो रहा. अरे भैया कुछ अपने आप को तो सुधार लो, प्लेसमेंट कैसे होगा? इंटरव्यू में जाओगे रिजेक्ट हो जाओगे. और फिर जब जॉब में भी अगर कोई जॉब दिला भी देगा तो 3 महीने बाद कहोगे ये जॉब नहीं होगी. और कुछ नहीं तो इसीलिए नहीं होगी कि भैया 8 घंटे काम करा रहे. करेक्ट? Who was having problems with data? You were having problems with it. You say, well, that is what I gathered from your comment. It was difficult to study because you had to work for 8 hours, right? Correct. But you didn't like your job. Oh, you liked your job. Okay. Anyway, so I misunderstood you. Okay, can we go to the next? Okay, so as children and as young adults, right, we do not focus on soft skills. There is too much focus on marks. There's lack of social interaction. लोगों ने आपस में बात करना बंद कर दिया है. क्लास में जरूर बैठ के बात करते रहते हैं, right? And not enough games, sports, and activities. Now these are the places. These are the places where आप लोग खुद सीख जाते हैं. But ये भी नहीं हो रहा. Hello. Sorry, I've been dragging all of you for the last 1 hour just to give you an introduction. Okay? I hope nobody is minding it. Please, this will teach you a lot. Trust me. This is my way of forcing you guys to go back and say, hey, I need to do something. Okay. Though the good thing about soft skills is it's never too late. It's never too late. You can learn it at any stage. Right? Even me at my age, I realize that I am not as sensitive to body language as some other people. And I try and learn it. But as you grow older, your ability to learn slows down. So you will take so much longer to learn, which means you'll have to work harder if you really want to learn something. Correct? So are you all prepared to, do you realize that is important? Sure, anybody who thinks it's not important, make abhi please clarify kar do, because then I will like to at least make sure that you understand it's important. Anybody who's not convinced that soft skills are important? Okay, so the next thing is, if you decide to do something about it, there are very simple, that's it. There are very simple 3 steps. Very simple, nothing. The first is that you need to be aware. So awareness ka kaam maine kar diya, hopefully. Right? I think I've been able to at least send a message across that you need to do something about soft skills. 1 साल पढ़ा हुआ है. Actually first year वाले, it's already April. September, October से आपका placement शुरू हो जाएगा. 2 महीने, 3 महीने में जो कर सकते हो अभी polish कर लो. Not a lot you can do in 2-3 months, but you can still make a difference. Right? And the other good thing about learning soft skills is, it's a very, that kind of a curve, right? This kind of a curve. So your initial growth is very quick. Getting perfection may take a long time, but very little effort can give you very good results in the short term. Okay? The second is you have to, awareness तो हो गई, पता लग गया कि communication skills होनी चाहिए. अब need. That I really want to do it, because if you don't need it, then you're not going to do anything about it. And then practice. और क्या करना है? For that you don't need me actually. And you don't need anybody. Today's generation doesn't need anybody, right? Classes कितने लोग attend करते हैं? 40% attendance? अरे be realistic. मैं 4-6 कॉलेजेस में पढ़ाने जा चुका हूँ, 40% लोग आते हैं. अच्छा चलो, very good. Then congratulations if you are able to get more than 40 to 50% attendance. People don't want to come and study, yeah? Trust me. आप लोग में से कितने लोग genuinely class attend करना चाहते हैं? नहीं, क्योंकि हाँ, लेकिन कुछ organizations में attendance को ignore कर देते हैं. मतलब I don't want to name a college. I went to this college where this particular student did not attend a single class of mine. And I went to the dean and I said, hey, what are you going to do about it? यही है ना? Parents ने तो यही सोच के भेजा था. Anyway, so if you really want to practice, you don't need me. Right? I can tell you that the content is there in my book. The content is there on YouTube. But apart from that, there's so much more content that you'll be tired of finding it. Just Google soft skills. You will find enough content on YouTube. Right? Which is the way you guys learn these days, right? कोई चीज समझ में नहीं आती तो सबसे पहले YouTube खोलते हैं ना? Yes, no? लेक्चर अटेंड नहीं करते, YouTube पे 15 मिनट का वीडियो सुन लेंगे. अच्छा, सब समझ में आ गया. कल एग्जाम है, आज सुन लेते हैं. राइट? कोई मिल जाएगा YouTube चैनल को पॉपुलर करने के लिए, हाउ टू क्लियर मैनेजमेंट 101.